God, I cannot wait for one of these cars to be turboed. So speaking of turbo, that stems into today's video, guys. It is finally time. Well, it's not time because they're not turboed yet, but I have some great news. I've been talking about this for a very long time now, and finally made it a reality. So let's get inside and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we're talking about. Just got back to the crib. It's been a long week, guys. Went to Florida. I did like 3,000 miles this week, guys. I've literally been trucking, but guys, it is finally time. I've had this car for like 6 going on 7 years now, and I've been talking about Boost for a very long time. And I want to break the news for you guys that I finally bought a kit. For everybody wondering, don't mind all the mess, I got all my parts here. Yes, I do still have the legendary, the OG K20Z3 engine. This is my old bad boy, 200K, sitting with a brand new OEM oil pan. I still need to get some things for it. I have a new flywheel in the house, but let's get inside for the real deal. All right, guys, do not mind the mess. I literally have car parts. So I need a storage unit. I'm planning on getting probably a storage unit soon. I had one before, but I was just kind of never going there. So it was like an inconvenience for me. So I actually I canceled it, my biggest regret. So I need to get a storage unit for all my parts and things like that. Anyways, guys, that is besides the point. Today, we're gonna talk about what I purchased. I finally did it. I've been talking about this for like 3 or 4 years, guys. Supercharging my car and my turbo in my car, this and that, blah, blah, blah. And I finally just, you know what? I found what I wanted. I found out what I wanted to do, realized what my power goal was. And I just made a decision. I said, if I do not buy this, I'm never gonna buy it. On the kit that I went with and that I wanted to purchase. So everything's all paid for, and I own it outright. So I'm really excited, guys. Enough talking, let's get to the unboxing. First box is definitely the most important. It's because it contains a little something special. Gasket, fittings. One is for the oil line. I think one is for the coolant. We have some, we have fittings, we have washers, things like that, all in this bag here. Are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready for it. Are you ready? I'm gonna take this right out. Yo! Here it is, guys. Guys, I finally got my turbocharger. Very excited. This is the GT35, a complete turbo noob, honestly. So I believe the trim is, I think it's like either like a 58 or like a 62 trim or something like that. There, dual ball bearing turbocharger. It's good for 500 horsepower. Am I gonna get to that limit? Probably not. Dude, I went out there for like 5 minutes. This thing weighs like, I'm not even trying to cap right now. This thing weighs like, dude, it's like a dumbbell. It's probably 40 pounds, like probably 30 pounds straight up. Pretty much all that's left. We have the air filter, obviously you guys could see. We have some lines here, oil lines. Got our wastegate right here. 8-pound spring. There's the spring right there. I gotta make sure I install all this right. There's the wastegate right there. I'm gonna upgrade my wastegate. Shout out to a couple people on IG that hit me up. This is only 8 PSI, so I'm probably gonna be capped. I won't be making that much power with it, and it does kind of look cheap, so I don't want to install and then have to like take it off again, and I'd rather just do everything right the first time. So I am going to order a more aggressive spring. I'll probably do like a, I don't know, I don't really want to run more than like 12 maybe 14 PSI max. Got the Manny right there. Look at that manifold right there, guys. Welds are looking pretty good. This manifold is literally gonna sit like this. And then the turbo is gonna be connected. It'll be the side of my engine bay here. I'll put a picture up on the screen right now of what it's gonna look like. This is one of the main sellers on why I decided to buy this kit, because it's a Sidewinder design. I didn't want a manifold that was in the back of the engine, and I'll talk about that afterward. We have the downpipe. You can see it says right here, K20 Civic downpipe. That is what it's gonna look like. Can you guess what brand turbo kit I went with? Take a guess. Did you guess it? That's right. Intercooler piping, I went with the black couplers and stuff. I think black looks better than blue, and it's more low profile. It kind of blends in more. I got the blow-off valve right here, guys. Make some cool noises. Everything should be here. I got the clamps, the couplers, the piping. This is all the intercooler piping. This is for the K20, guys. So this is all for the K20. It should be direct fit. I might have to do some fabrication minor. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't been posting. It's been 2 weeks. I'm gonna make a separate video basically talking about why I haven't been posting and stuff like that. And I think it's going to be pretty cool. Should connect with a lot of people. So that's coming next after this. But comment down below if you're turboed. I'm excited to see what this kit can do. You know what, guys? It didn't break the bank, and I'm going to have fun with it. Be sure to like, drop your comments down below, and subscribe for more Honda content, guys. In conclusion, though, I have a few things I want to just get off my chest and sum it up here. I wrote a couple things down here. So the number one question is why I decided to go, Sidewinder turbo, and I'll honestly talk about this in more videos. But to make a long story short, guys, Sidewinder, I was thinking of replacing or maintenance. It's a lot easier to access, guys. It's right in front. I could pull the turbo off, change the turbos out in probably like 15 minutes. Power goal, I get a lot of questions, what am I trying to make for power or whatever. 400 is ideally where I want to be. 450 would be nice, but I'm not gonna push this car over like 450. Am I going to turbo the K20 or the K24? I'm still deciding. I am still deciding on which one I want to turbo. I'd like to experience both. I'll let you guys drop that down in the comments. What do you think I should turbo, K20 or K24, and why? And I appreciate all you, for real. I do. I appreciate all you, and I want to post more eventually down the road when my schedule allows for me to. So thank you all for checking in again. Just know I'm hustling, grinding, and I'll see you soon. All right, peace.